Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another love bite for you. Gemini, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Gems, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And yes, Gemini, if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. To join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So the cards I have on the table right now, Gemini, for you is the Hierophant, Four of Swords, Three of Pentacles, Six of Swords, Six of Cups, Seven of Wands, Two of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, and the Seven of Swords. Alright, and bottom of my deck I have the Seven of Cups in reverse. So there's no longer any confusion as to who and what you want, but I think there's a bit of restless energy going on as well, because maybe somebody didn't commit on time, or there was no commitment given, maybe there was a third party situation, things have taken a totally different turn here, wrong turn, and there's a bit of disruption in what was a beautiful friendship, partnership, felt like a soulmate connection. Maybe, somebody stopped fighting for this connection now, even though the Two of Cups is still upright. This love is still felt so deeply, Gemini, but it seems nobody has either put in the work till now to make this happen, and it seems to be backfiring now. Instead of going forward, it's going backward, even though the decision is clear that this is your soulmate. So let's start with some dialogue message cards, Gemini. Let's see what's going on in your connection. If you guys had to say something to each other, what would that be? Gemini and their person spirit. Gemini and their person. Gemini and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Okay. And I'm going to take a few from here, Gemini. Gemini and their person. And a couple from here. Gemini and their person spirit. What are the messages from their heart? Okay, done, Gemini. Let's begin your reading. So the first card here says, don't come back to me if you haven't leveled up. I knew all along that you had the potential to run again, but the intensity of our connection and my curiosity about it is what kept me interested in you. My boundaries are stronger now, and your old mind games will no longer be tolerated. See? This commitment wasn't given. So if somebody's saying, hey, either you come back correct or don't come back at all, I don't want to fight for this connection anymore. You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same, as I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you. Why do you try and downplay our connection, even though when you know how much importance it holds? You know who we are to each other. Why do you try and dismiss it? It really cuts deep, like a knife to the heart. So I think both know that, this is a soulmate bond or a very spiritual connection, but I guess somebody hasn't been acknowledging that, not been taking it forward, running from the connection, and now things have been ruined between the two of you, Gemini, it seems, at least for this time being. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Give me some time. I knew from the first time that I saw you that I would love you forever. Your smile made me fall in love with you, and I knew then that I wanted to wake up to see your smile every morning. So maybe you guys met at an inappropriate time when maybe one person wasn't free, but they recognized the connection immediately. I like so many things about you that even I don't know how to tell you that I love everything about you. I think that you were made for me and I was made for you. I didn't run away from you, I ran away from myself. It's all down to my deep fear of rejection and my insecurities. Now, this is answering the first one where it says, don't come back to me if you haven't leveled up. I knew all along that you had the potential to run again. So, this person is saying, I didn't run away from you. I ran away from my own sense of insecurity. I want to hold you and never let you go. So that's the intensity of how the connection is felt. Maybe spiritually or in the 5D world, but now there is some trouble here because somebody has chosen, they don't know who the right choice is, but maybe they've delayed it too long. So before I start clarifying these cards, Gemini, I'm going to take an angel blessing card, see how my angels can help with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Gemini. Blessing, guidance, advice, healthful. So yes, Gemini, whenever this card comes, it kind of tells me it's more to do with your emotional health. Maybe you people are keeping, things suppressed and not expressing them. So your emotional health needs a bit of help here, Gemini, to be able to express yourself and let it out instead of just keeping it, deep within, hurting yourself and maybe hurting your partner as well. So let's see. Hierophant spirit and the Four of Swords in reverse. What's this Hierophant and the Four of Swords in reverse? Yes, maybe there's distance between the two of you now, Gemini. Or maybe somebody's feeling that maybe because there was no commitment, somebody's given up the fight for this connection, or maybe there's been a lot of competition or other people in the mix here. Whatever said and done, somebody's really restless about the fact that maybe something is coming to a close here. Four of Swords spirit, Four of Swords. Four of Swords in reverse, which is like somebody's not feeling good. They're feeling restless, feeling unhappy. Now, or maybe just kind of focusing on their work, trying to get out of this feeling that, something is not working out here. What's this Eight of Pentacles spirit? What are they working on? Oh, they want to put in the work now. They do want to put in the work now. They're very restless. They're trying to figure out how to put the work in because now they recognize their person to be their empress. This is the person they know is above all others. So maybe now they want to re-begin something, restart something and try and get over whatever conflict has happened and put in some work. But there is still a Three of Pentacles in reverse here. Spirit, why is that? Why is the Three of Pentacles in reverse then? Because that initial excitement, that feeling has kind of died down because somebody maybe didn't put in the work earlier, maybe there was a third party situation, or maybe whoever this masculine is, even though they had a lot of love for their empress, they had a bit of trouble showing it. Maybe they were insecure or they were running away from, their own feelings. This person was hiding their love. They never really put in the work to show this empress how much they really cared from their heart. But the love is there. Love is there, except there was emotional manipulation, maybe difficulty in expressing their emotions. And because of that, now this connection, instead of moving forward, is going backwards now. Six of Swords spirit. Six of Swords. Six of Swords. Maybe their partner got tired. They said, if you're never going to show me emotion, then I might as well if you're going to juggle me and never going to tell me, then I think I might as well drop it because this kind of scenario makes me deeply unhappy. Now this beautiful soulmate connection has some bad memories attached to it. Maybe it's a a feeling of, this didn't go anywhere. And that's making both, I think, both of you deeply unhappy to feel that way. Six of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Yes, boundaries are up now. Boundaries are up that, all right, if you're not going to tell me, if you're not going to show me, if there's going to be conflict, if there's going to be fighting, or you're never going to express your love for me, then I'm going to put my boundary up. This is, I think, the feminine saying that, and I don't trust you anymore. I won't say trust, but they do feel that their person is a kind of a trickster, kind of tricked them, or emotionally manipulated them, showed them something else, and it wasn't there. Because the feeling was felt by both. The intensity of the connection was felt by both. And because there was no physical proof of it, I think one person has gotten tired and saying, hey, I'm not going to fight for this connection anymore. I've got my boundaries up now. And that's making the masculine now, who still has a lot of passion, a lot of desire, now go through the stress. Not being able to sleep at night because they feel, oh my God, my person is no longer fighting for this connection anymore. Maybe they got used to it. They were dealing with an empress, right? So the empress is all loving and kind and, is the epitome of love. So ever since, I think this empress has stopped now, put the boundaries up, stopped fighting for this connection, the masculine here, who still secretly does have a lot of passion, a lot of love, is now going through the dark night of the soul, maybe stressing out as to why their person is not putting any more effort. Because I think both of you, heart of hearts, know that this is a very special connection. Two of Cups, Spirit. Two of Cups. Somebody is wanting a reunion, big time. They want some kind of reconciliation. They're very frustrated. They're very upset, or maybe, yes, they do want to communicate and have some kind of a reconciliation about their own bad behavior. They want to say, this is what they want to say. Hey, you are my Two of Cups. They want to communicate. Can we have a reunion? Can we get back together? They want to discuss or talk or open up about why they made the rash decisions maybe that they did. Why they never showed, or they were in and out, or not being authentic. Why they never put in any work. Because now whoever this masculine is feeling, this entire thing is backfiring on me. It's going backwards now. Eight of Pentacles, Spirit. Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. Yes, they know, they understand what has happened. Maybe there was a third party, there could have been, maybe they were just breadcrumbing this empress. Now they're realizing that, this empress has now turned her back because of their inaction, their bad behavior, and they're not putting in the work. Seven of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Seven of Swords in reverse. Now they do view this empress as their perfect partner. They are no longer confused anymore. They view this empress as the perfect spouse, the person who is abundant, the person who is loving, caring, nurturing, is financially very well off, can take care of themselves, can take care of others as well. So now they know the choice that they needed to make. But then now they're also feeling that with all their bad behavior, they've drained this love out. They're feeling that their empress is no longer, this Queen of Cups is in reverse, right? They understand why this empress is no longer giving of their love anymore. And now this person is going through a very, very stressful time, maybe emotionally very upset. Because now they feel this entire thing has backfired on them. They were running away from their insecurities, but now this person is ashamed and embarrassed as to how do I go towards my person and be romantic again or show them love, or after what I've done already. They're hiding this cup of love. They still kind of, they do feel it. They do feel it in a very big way. They feel romance, they feel love. They know that the love is there. Heart of hearts, they know. This is the amount of love this masculine feels for their feminine, except right now they're feeling very embarrassed and ashamed to come back, and they know they've ruined it. They know that the feminine is no longer offering them love anymore. So is it too late now, Gemini? Whoever the masculine is here, is this embarrassment or shame going to stop you from expressing this so much love? Look at this. Knight of Cups has grown to the King of Cups, and then this cup of love overflowing. So that's what I have for you, Gemini. Next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.